Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Permission to introducing myself. My name is Cindy Putri Lestari, NPM 224111013 from Management Class 22A. On this occasion, I will present material on the theme of capital budgeting. In most companies, capital budgeting is one of the main sources of profit for the company, because with capital budgeting they can calculate the level of profit they will get in the long term. Capital budgeting is a term what we often hear when dealing with money, but often the term capital budgeting is misinterpreted as a tool for calculating profit only. Even though capital budgeting is not just that. Therefore, we must really understanding the meaning of capital budgeting, so that the interpretation is not only limited to seeking profit but making investment decisions that will have a good long-term and short-term impact on the company. In a company, a financial manager must really understanding this capital budgeting is because a manager will decide the investment or investment that can be invested to have a good impact on the company. Capital budgeting objective 1. Know the meaning of capital budgeting. 2. Know the importance of capital budgeting. 3. Know the stages of capital budgeting. 4. Know the benefit of capital budgeting. 5. Know the approach to capital budgeting decision. 6. Know capital budgeting decision methods. Meaning of capital budgeting. Capitals now fixed assets used for production. Budget is a detailed plan that projects cash inflows and cash outflow over several periods in the future. Is the RT process starting from planning to making a decision to spend a certain amount of fund at investment, where the return period for the fund exceeds 1 year. In the books Business Budgeting by Gunawan Adisaputra and Yunita Anggraini, it is explained that the Gargaran is a planning process that includes analysis and selection of various capital investment. Investment affects assets in invested fund that will be recovered back in full by the company over several years gradually. In installment to depreciation. Net cash flow process in the difference between the net cash outflow required for new investment and the net cash inflow as a result of new investment. Importance of capital budgeting. 1. Capital budgeting decision will have an effect over a long period of time so that the company loses its flexibility. 2. Effective capital budgeting will increase the timelines and quality of additional assets. 3. Expenditures are very important. Capital budgeting stages. 1. Project cost must be determined. 2. Management must estimate the expected cash flow from the project, including the final value of assets. 3. The risk of project cash flow must be estimated using cash flow probability distribution. 4. By knowing the risks of the project, management must determine the appropriate cost of capital to discount the project cash flow. 4. Using the time value of money. The expected cash inflow is used to estimate the value of asset. 6. Finally, the present value of the expected cash flow is compared with their cost. Benefit of capital budgeting. 1. To find out more detailed funding needs because the funds are tied to a period of more than 1 year. 2. So that 3 is not over investment or under investment. 3. Can be more detailed and talk because funds are increasing and in very large amount. 4. Prevent error in decision making. Approaches to capital budgeting decision. 3 are two main approaches in making capital budgeting decision. 3 approaches included by the company financial condition. Reject approach includes evaluating capital expenditure proposal to determine whether the proposal can be approved or not. This approach is quite simple because it only compares the criteria processed by each proposal with the minimum criteria that have been previously determined. Suitable for companies that have unlimited funds. Ranking approach ranking project based on predetermined criteria. For example, project will be ranked based on their representative rates of return. The project with the highest rate of return will be ranked number 1 and the one with the lowest rate of return will be ranked less. 1. Payback period method. The payback period is the period required to recoup the expenditure on an investment using the net cash flow project. Ubayin 1. Very easy to applying indicators project that require a long time to return capital. 2. Measuring the liquidity of a project if the liquidity condition is an important factor for the company. Weakness. 1. Not paying attention to the time of money value. 2. Not paying attention to cash inflow after the payback period, so it cannot be used as a measuring tool. 2. Net present value (NPV) investment appraisal method that uses discounted cash flow. Considering the time value of money in cash flow that occur now with cash outflow that will be recovered in the future. Formula together with where 10 together with investment value together with net cash flow in the period T. Here together with discounted rate T together with time period. Begin 1. Take into account the time value of money. 2. Take into account all cash flow over the life of the investment. Weakness. 1. In comparing to investment of equal capital, net cash value cannot be used as a good internal rate of return (IRR). The rate of return generated on investment or discount rate which show the present value cash flow together with present value outlay (IRR) obtained compared to the capital cost borne by the company. Formula, where RK together with small interest rate, RB together with large interest rate, NPV RK together with net present value at a small interest rate, TPVRK together with net present value at a small investment rate.